Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. Today we have a very important video demonstrating how to blend oil paint on your palette and how to mix any color imaginable using just the three primary colors. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's have some fun. First, I'll demonstrate for you how to mix paint on your palette using what I call the swirl and scoop method. We'll mix up our own black using burnt sienna brown and ultramarine blue. Then we'll use that mixture to make a grayscale for black and white painting. When mixing various shades of gray, we want to begin with two equal quantities of white and black paint, placed on opposite sides of each other. Next, we'll section out 4 piles of each color from large to small, overlapping as they go from right to left and left to right. The overlap of these 2 piles will create the ratio we need to make the perfect gradation in value. This first mixture will contain mostly white with a small amount of black, and the last mixture will contain mostly black with a small amount of white, leaving 2 shades in between for a total of 4 different values. You can expand this method to create as many values as you'd like, as long as the amount of paint you lay out is increasing from small to large, with the largest piles of paint on opposite ends. Now that our grayscale is complete, we can move on to color. We'll start by mixing the 3 primary colors respectively with each other to create orange, purple, and green. Then we'll mix those colors back in with the primaries and expand that process until we have a full color wheel. that you've seen how many colors you can make with just the 3 primaries, imagine what can be created using different variations of primary color mixing, which is truly limitless color making. I hope this video helps you create gorgeous colors and encourages you to go out and make amazing paintings. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more how to art videos. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and as always, happy painting.